Whooping cough is most common in people who are not vaccinated against it. This can include children 6 months and under, and also children 11 and older, as they're a little bit farther out from their childhood immunizations. It's important to note that whooping cough is spread through respiratory droplets, such as coughing and sneezing, particularly in close environments such as schools. That's why it's important to use general infection prevention techniques such as hand washing to avoid the spread.